Okay, which one is your PowerPoint? Group 3, right? This one. Okay. Next, what is next? No. This one, next. This one, go back.
Hello teacher and hello everyone. Today my group have a presentation.
Okay.
And today my group have a presentation. The garment production manufacturing process. This member in my group, Sim Pisai, Kon Chamran, Nadbunfun and Kun Law. And manufacturing step have 12 steps. 1. Preserving fabric. 2. Fabric relating. 3. Splitting from layout and cutting. 4. Laying. 5. Making. 6. Cutting. 7. Embroidery and screen printing. 8. Sewing and 9. Checking. 10. Spot cleaning and laundry. 11. Forcing and pressing. 12. Packing and shipping. And now my and first point present by Miss Sim Pisai. Okay.
Hello everyone, and hello teacher. Garment production is an organized activity that has a series of processes, such as the first step is sewing fabric. One receiving fabric of garment factory often have a warehouse area to store fabric between arrival and manufacturing. Uh, uh, the first step is receiving fabric. Garment factories reserve fabric from overseas textile manufacturers in line balls with cardboard or plastic center tube or in higher or bag. The fabric typically delivered instead commercial shipping containers and is allowed with a forklift. Garment factories often have a warehouse or dedicated area to store fabric between arrival and manufacturing. The choice of fabric is made according to the required fabric quality, as such as the color of the fabric. If the required fabric is already on the market, the fabric buy those fabrics in stock. This point, the second step is fabric relaxing. Relaxing refers to the process that allows the material to relax. The step is necessary because the material is continuously under tension throughout the various stage of the textile manufacturing. Manufacturing process in clothing, weaving, dyeing. The relaxing process allows fabrics to screen so that further screen lags during customer use is minimized. The step is done by looking at each piece of fabric by hand, using a light spot to identify color inconsistencies or defects in the fabric. Uh, Keeping fabric in a relaxed mood from open, the tie cover has to be down in the cutting room at natural temperature. Fabric relation means relaxing fabric from its roll high style. Relaxation is very important to get fabrics one shape garments measurement depend on proper fabric behavior. And next one, the third step is spreading from layer cutting. Uh, Spreading is the process of unwinding next roll of fabric into long, with support in preparation for cutting a piece of a garment. Spreading and cutting is smooth laying out of fabric in superimposed layers of a pile of specified legs and spreading step is initial to detect fabric flow. Check the tension and select and ensure the correct alignment of each fabric. And next point present by Mr. Chandran.
Hello everyone. For legend. Legend is the process of unwinding left raw after in full long with table in population for cutting a piece for garment. Lay long piece first and then fit in the smaller one. Fabric drop when laying the black of garment should be palatable to the surface of the material.
Yes, please. You never prepare for this thing.
By marking. Marking is the process for planting a pattern is to maximize the number of patterns that can be cut off against piece of fabric. The mark planner use the mark planner to full size pattern and operator then in economical manner and marker pattern. Marker reduction. Marker reduction on paper are fixed to fabric with pin set on an adhesive paper which is had selected to the top layer of the fabric. The supervisor of marker planner. The supervisor of marker planner plan and allow cut the cut orders to virus or operation to be carried out in the cutting room. The cutting room. Cutting room is a spreading spectrum of the garment into its community and in general from it is the production process of splitting of pack into garment parts that are shaped of the pattern piece on marker. A first vanishing consideration is whether total tasks arrive at in the cutting room are the same as those required to maintain full production in the serving and subsequently the plant delivery schedule. All cutting operation are carried step 9 cutting machine by
hello teacher, and hello everyone. Well, embroidery and skin painting, printing. Embroidery and skin painting are two processes that occur only if that is practiced by the customer. Embroidery is performing using automatic equipment. Skin painting is the process of applying process graphic to fabric. Using process and techniques that is calling this scan package fry of fabric and then dry to set this process might have a varying the way of automatic or my language by complete and manually operate touch. Saving. Garment are saving in on assembly line with the garment becoming complete as it progress down the saving line. For example, the first custom operator might saving the color to today of the garment, and the next operator might saving a slave to the today. Stitching is down as per the specification is given by the buyer. High power single needle or computerized saving much are using to complete the saving operation. Pushing match for pushing color, computerizable button and button hole saving match for saving button and button hole are specifically employed. Checking. Checking of quality control product comparing with factory that will away become constrained. First scan of a garment reject for same reason. Then order establishing is standard as a curve for make sure quality and demand. Production result can be make sure can comparing to the planning quality standard. Creative make sure to be correct out if there are any deviation in the plan. I'm ready. Hand you, Mr. Fuller.
And number 10, spot cleaning and laundry. Spot cleaning and laundry are two process garment manufacturer make sure that they are finished. One, spot cleaning. In the order To make the spot cleaning section complete, the following basic measure should be taken. The factory should be used clean sewing machine, prevent stain cuts the machine off. Spot cleaning workers should be given appropriate tips, such as respiratory mask, solvent, glue. Some popular spot cleaning agents are dangerous for health and should be avoided. A spot cleaning table is fitting with a vacuum device which extract and chemical vapor away from the table surface. Laundry. Laundry refers to the washing of clothing and other textiles, and more broadly, their drying and ironing. As well, laundry work has traditionally been with responsibility in smart culture valuing. The word laundry may refer to the clothing itself or to the place where the cleaning happens. Number 11, forcing and pressing. Forcing and pressing are the process for fixing, fusible, and cleaning with the outer fabric and the help of heat and process and pressure. Fussing. There are two types of fussing process used in the garment, which are mentioned below. One, reverse fussing. In this process, the fabric of interlining of in speed on the fussing bed and the part consists and reason is directed. Then the fabric of garments in speed and is spread on the resonated part of fabric and fussing is done there. To the ball fussing. In this process, joined with the garment fabric in the step during fussing. There is needed to control the temperature during fussing, and it must be able to set the interlining part of and garment part of properly. Pressing. Today, a custom designed pressing machine can be engineered to fit your company need. It was last used to process material and in the space program. Modern pressing equipment can be automated and sensor for proper manual monitoring, data collection, and quality assurance. Well, this picture. Well, packing and shipping. In the last step of making products, retail-ready garments are folded, sized, and packing according to customer specifications. Packing. Packing also refers to the process of designing packing. Packing can be distributed as a coordinated for transform, warehousing, logistics, sales, and us. Shipping. The shipping is processed in both everything from receiving a customer order to preparing it for last time delivery, Shipping an order involves several factors such as order management, warehouse, and carrier relationship. This is the pitch of the shipping. That's all, teacher.
Any conclusion you want to tell your
The
class?
conclusion that I get from the presentation, I get more knowledge from the manufacturing step, and I know the factory when the create one shirt, how we need to do, and I done discuss with my class, with my teammate. That's all, teacher, for me.
Okay, thank you very much. Where is your team? Any conclusion you want to tell your class?
Conclusion.
Any learning outcome?
Mr. Batul, what conclusion do you have?
Learning outcome, what you learn from this process. By doing this, what you have learned. What you discussed during your presentation, what you learned. What problem you face while doing this? Any problem? Any learning? Yes. Any learning from this activity? No, right? On Telegram. No conclusion. Team 3. Anything you want to say? You have, while doing this, you feel something new, you learn something new. You want to tell your class? What are your learning outcome while doing this presentation in a group? Yes. Anyone understand? Speak more louder. One more time, please. You learn something, work in a group. So any problem you face working in your team, any problem you think next time when I do, I will improve this one. Anything like that? Any problem working in a team? Working in a group, what problem you face? Any problem? What any problem? Any panya hai? Working in a group. Anything? Speak louder.
She not clear about the presentation and also the send to the leader of the group and leader can be
So who is your leader? Who is your group leader? Okay, it's a new learning experience, right? Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Your conclusion, you are leader, right? Okay, you conclude your presentation. How you learn any difficulty while finding information. Your team not good, something like that. Anything you want to conclude? Who is your best team member?
For me, and it's simple for me. I don't have any problem
Okay.
because I always go to bed midnight, and it's easy for me. I think then my member is trying to research and to learn by yourself. Yes, sir.
Okay, who is your best member? Who is your member who need to improve a lot? Which member need more improvement? Which member is you think is good?
I think Mr. Jamal because he write by himself, but he don't know how to read. When he don't know how to read this book, he never ask me. When I want to he to be ask me, I will explain.
So let's discuss.
Yes.
Okay. So you must discuss in the group, right? When you work in a group, share learning and what you are going to present. All team members must know, right? Okay, good. Thank you. Who want to come next? Okay, on your presentation there is a comment. Some of your presentation you use, but the picture, the visual you select is not matching. Like this one. Your visual, your picture is not matching with your what you try to say. So when we make presentation, my information must relate with the picture. So this one is about marker planner, and this one is what? Anything related to marker or cutting? Automatic machine for what? Yeah, this machine is making the cotton cardboard. So nothing related with here. So when you use visual is to help your audience to understand and relate this one with this. So next time when you make presentation, your visual must be relatable, right? Can see and understand what is your information in your slide. This picture is not for layering. This picture is to checking the fabric or relaxing. Oh, this is relaxing. Fabric relaxing. So it's not matching with this slide. So always use your visual which is matching, telling the story of your information. Okay, next group. You ready already? Not yet. Then how many we finish? 3, right? Who is next? They are the last. Oh, you read it. Okay, you sent me the slide already. Okay, best of luck.
Firstly, I would like to say good morning to teacher and everyone. Uh, this one, group member from group 5 have me, Visa, Vinh Lư, Narod, and Good. And the topic that I want to talk about garment manufacturing process. The garment manufacturing process, I want to introduce about garment production. Garment production is an organized activity consisting of sequential process such as laying, marking, cutting, stitching, checking, finishing, pressing, and packaging. This is a process of converting raw material into finished product. It's very difficult to maintain the industry. This product is not up to the demand. Is the pre-product part of preparation of material is not properly carried out. And manufacturing process has held 10 points. First, fabric itself and relax. First and foremost, garment factory itself fabric from overseas manufacturers. The delivery often come with big balls of fabric with cardboard. Sometimes fabric may appear in pills, bags, or plastic center tube. Despite the fabric from they are all delivered. Delivery often come with
I think slide is very messy, cannot. You need to write in bullet points, no story. So this is too much messy. Nobody know what you are saying. So you need to rework on this slide again.
rework.
Yes, rework on this slide.
So this one.
Yeah, it must be like this. You put the numbers and sort a story like this. Yeah, can make it smaller. Put some picture. Copy paste some picture in this. This is too many words. You cannot present nicely. So rework in this. Go back to your place. Rework with your team, and then after month you need to two groups need to do again. So we will go for lunch now. Once we come back, the rest of the groups will start. Too many words. Because you just copy from the internet, it is not good. Yeah, go for lunch first, guys. So you guys.